This is a quick overview of a beta test we're doing. This is one of our buildings, Britannico Building 7. And this is just a model we built in Revit, but exported to a web format. So I'm in a browser right now. I'm just in Google Chrome. I can zoom in, zoom out. I can rotate. I can see different parts of the model. Some of the other things you can do here is maybe you might want to take a section cut. So let's say we want to cut a section through the building. You can rotate those sections in different directions. So you can take cuts through the building and see different things that way. Maybe you want to be able to explode the model and see various parts split up into pieces. So you can do that here. You can split this into all its constituent elements. You can select items in the model, right click and hide them, let's say, or you can isolate them so you can find different pieces. The other thing is, everything has a property. So if I select a piece of glass here, it gives me the daylights, the widths, the heights, glass offsets, all the sealant, all the data for that piece of glass, along with its distribution information, mark number, location ID, things like that for the pallet schedule stuff. So there's a lot of things you can do in this model, but the thing we've been working on is this idea of being able to click on this button and be able to see, based on the pallet schedule, which units have been completed. So this is the beta test we're doing right now. So there are 3 buttons at the bottom there allow you to sort of see which units have been completed so far. So it's going to color them in this sort of cyan color. So you can kind of see here that all these units are ready to go on the building. And if I click field, it would do the same. It would show you what's been clicked off on the pallet schedule so far, so you can see which units are completed in the field. So in this case, and this is all sample data obviously because we haven't been in the field on this job yet, but in this case I've clicked off these units in the pallet schedule and it's pulling this data and being able to see this data here. So a couple things there. We would be able to see what's done in engineering, what's done in the shop, what's done in the field. And then all of this data is live and on the web. So this is something we could actually share with our customers, like this model, and have them be able to see where we are with our process, like what's done in the engineering, what's done in the shop. There's a lot of other things we can do with this, but it's a pretty interesting piece of software. So for instance, if you came in here and you wanted to, let's say, take a dimension, just measure something maybe from here over to here, and it'll give you the dimension that for those things back and forth. So you can take a dimension within the model. So lots of things you can do, but these are the main buttons we're working on right now. Is the ability to see our data, engineering, shop, and field in the model. So, and that's something we're beta testing. It should be live here maybe in the next month or so. Thank you very much.